Hi, I am Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for good sleep. Let's begin. For this sequence, I want you to prepare any kind of pillows and towel or eye pillow. Okay, so right now, we're gonna use it later on, so I'm gonna put it by the side. Okay? And sit down nice and comfortable. Just stay there, drop your shoulders down. And tuning down your breath to Ujjayi breath. From regular breath to Ujjayi pranayama. Inhale deeply through the nose. And exhale deeply through the nose. Cultivating long, deep breath. And exhale, let it go. Any concern or the things accumulating, just all those thoughts, let it go. And inhale, something you like, some positive energy. And exhale, slowly open your eyes. Inhale, wrap around your head. And exhale, tilt your neck to one side. And then drop opposite elbow down. Five deep breaths here. And release. Let's use the other side. Inhale, exhale, drop your neck to opposite side and drop your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, back to center. And inhale, interlace your hands, place your hands behind your head. And inhale, exhale, slowly tuck your chin forward. And exhale, release. And look up, drop your head behind. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest. And back to center. And rotate your neck twice slowly. And twice opposite circle. And back to center. Now stretch out your arm to the side. And big quick shoulder rotation. 1, 2, 3 times. Reverse. 1, 2, 3 times. And now release. Let's take tabletop pose. Palm heel underneath your shoulders. Open your knees about your hip distance. Tuck your toes. Inhale, arch your back. Slowly. Exhale, roll your back. Inhale, drop your belly. Exhale, tailbone tuck. Inhale, tailbone up. Look up. And exhale, tuck your chin. Inhale, widen your collarbones. Exhale, shoulder blades out toward the ceiling. Inhale, lengthen front of your body. And exhale, elongate your spine. One more inhale. Stretch out. And exhale, roll your back. Back to center. And from here, knees open wider about your mat distance, toes touch. And let's take child pose, balasana. Sit on your heel, forehead rest on the mat. Now release back and tuck your toes and interlace your hands in front, create triangle and kind of place back of my head against my palm to stretch the back of my neck and upper back and around shoulders. Gently place your head against your palm and palm support your head. And breathe. And release. Now right leg step forward and pointing your toes 45-degree angle. And you can keep your knee back, toes down. And from here, make sure tailbone to crown long. And slowly bring your elbows down. And if you want to put pillow underneath, use pillow. And slowly other elbows down. Lizard pose. And relax your head. Relax your neck. Use inhale and exhale to drop your hips down. Now slowly bring your chest up and bend back knee and try to grab the toes. And if it's too much, you can use yoga strap or doesn't have to bend your knee this way. Just you can place your knee down, twist this way. So variation 1 this way. This is totally good. Make sure to bring your hips down. or bend your knee to grab your foot and gaze backward. And now release. Let's switch side. Left leg forward, pointing at toes 45-degree angle, back knee down, back toes down. And slowly bring your elbows down and down. Relax your neck, relax your head, relax your shoulders. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, lower your hips. Now bring your chest up, same variation as before. You can keep your knees, back knee and toes down and twist, hug your knee and twist your upper body, or if you want, grab the foot and look back, look behind. And now gently release the pose. Let's sit down. Find your way to sit position and straighten your knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. You can place your hands down there or hold your shin or ankle or toes. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, release. Inhale halfway, exhale, release. Now let's lie down on your back. And hug your knee and shift your hips to the side. Okay, now bend your knee, grab your ankle or your feet. Do the happy baby. Knee to your chest, press down. Move your hips, sway your legs to the side. Gentle, small movement. And one knee straight. And other knee straight. And both legs straighten. And back to happy baby. Bend your knees to your chest. 5 deep breath here. Okay, now release. And if you have pillow besides, bring it. And place your pillow underneath sacrum to lift up your sacrum. So I'm gonna move. So you have the sacrum area and sole of your feet together. And if you have a eye pillow or towel, hold it. And place it around the eye, over the eyes. Inhale, exhale, arms by the side. And let it go. This sequence is designed to relax your body and mind and prepare you for a good sleep. I recommend you do it before going to bed every night. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!